Well, so we're off to Keng Engine. About a 10-minute drive from here. The rain's never going to stop, so I might as well just go for it anyway. We did tell him 10:30, and so let's just go. Get wet. Never mind. So we're still working on fixing this front wheel, right? That's what we're up to today. The bike was rented out to somebody recently. They had a nasty smash on it. They did their best to fix it, but they didn't, and since then it's been to 3 shops and we're still not fixed. We've replaced the axle, which was like a banana, and the wheel bearings. We've tightened the spokes. We've checked the forks and the triple tree. There's a slight worry the frame might be bent. I'm going to get him to fix the wheel first, because the wheel's not spinning true and the guy's put way too many weights on it, and then I'll talk to him about how, if you bloody hell, like ice. See the green stuff? Can't even park safely. Yeah, if you get back down here and you sort of do this and stuff, I'll show you later. You can see that Houston, we have a problem. And if it's a bent frame, well then, wow, I really am screwed. It's so dangerous around here with the green moss that I'm going to carefully walk her back. You see this bit's nice and dry and grippy. It's these bits you've got to watch out for. And they're bloody everywhere at this time of year. Me and Gery have had a few incidents. Okay, dry seat. Pockets closed. I'll call these my pre-flight checks. I'm going to get caught in the wheels as we drive along. Let's do this one up. This is secure. Tank bag is protected. Got our route. Didn't put the elastic band on, but it should be fine. It's a short one. Here we go. Let's go and have a look at Chiang Mai in the pissing rain. Bloody hell, like ice. There we are. That's funny, there's no one around. I wonder why. It was quite busy last night, busier than when I was here in Chiang Mai maybe 2-3 months ago. Definitely busier. On this bike, it feels great. This is the first time I haven't ridden with all the bags on. I feel it straight away. Here we are, the Taipei gate. There's always somebody taking us off at this very good place. Always somebody. Just my luck today that there won't be. There you go. Pretty girl over there. Which is pretty. Brilliant. I need to move this gear shifter, the gear selector, because I got new boots and they're a different size from the old boots. And changing gears, funny. I need to move it up 1 notch. I can tell my service boots it was 2 notches. Boys have got their CRFs, they're off for some fun in the hills. Oh shit, I've just done the wrong fucking one. I'm just too kind, I'm too busy talking, I'm not concentrating. That's the wrong fucking time. Oh, there's always pigeons here, and the guy has a big stick and he makes them go up in the air, and then you jump and you get your photograph. Pigeons are sensible, they're hiding from their own.